Oh my god. 미미야. 미미야. 미미야.
Better not do something out of control, girl.
Mira,
What if your boy graduated with an outstanding degree in acting class?
ahí tienes. Mira. Ok.
Aw. Hi. Hi, babies. Okay.
Stop. I'm really just trying to poop in peace.
When your cat is the champion of the debate.
You can say whatever you want to say. You at the wrong house. You better get your butt. You have to go. Don't you ever come up in my house no more. I have my own.
So hairdryer can't do anything to a cat, right? Well, this dude definitely doesn't think so.
Ow.
The little cat isn't too satisfied with your bathing frequency.
Your hands were really tied. Oh wait, maybe those were her hands.
The only reason I kidnapped her in the first place is because I thought she was the black.
Well, now that you mention it, there was one.
Maddie, you wanted to play?
Maddie, are you scared?
You hear a lot of dramatic of cats in the past.
Scary kitty. Oh no.
Hey.
Just so you know, never interrupt a cat's hunt. Even these cats are having staring contests now, huh? Quite leisurely, aren't they?
Someone interrupted your play, be like,
Bro looks as shocked as the main character discovering their nemesis is still alive.
Oi.
The effort to pretend to be a professional martial arts master is worth noting.
It's so weird.
Are you angry? Okay, well.
Hope fried chicken can make up for this drama queen.
Sorry. I'm sorry that you're not feeling very up to today. Okay.
Who would have thought even a printer could prank Cat? When you just need a proper reason to tease your bestie.
Summary of the movie Beauty and the Beast.
Cheguei. Cheguei.
When you open the door at 3 a.m.
Don't be scared of it, Hope.
Average scenes when music starts playing in horror movies.
Oh my god.
George, good boy. Sit. Up. Good boy, George. Spin.
If cats have a bad day, they'll find a companion.
POV. You meet your love rival.
Yes.
These cats might just first met a baby, so the confusion is understandable.
This toy? Yeah? Do you want this one? No? Do you want this one? Yeah?
Cat might not experience enough things, but it can still feel the betrayal.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Kev is actually shaking like a leaf.
What you doing, Kev?
But after that challenge, there's no way he's staying still.
Curiosity gives us experiences and sometimes lessons.
No.